Hi Diablo residents, my name is Christina Bergheimer. I'm going to explain to you what identity theft is, how it happens, and how to protect yourself. Identity theft is taking another person's personal information and using it to your advantage, such as stealing someone's social security number and using it to open up a bank account or to file taxes in that person's name. There are many types of identity theft, such as criminal identity theft. And this is when a person tries to get out of getting arrested by using their own name and using someone else's. There's also medical identity theft, and this is using another person's name to get free medical benefits. Child identity theft is a big one. This is using a child's name and their social security number to obtain maybe housing, employment, or even credit. There are many ways that a criminal can get your information, such as they will dumpster dive, they will go through your trash, they will steal your mail, they will try to steal your wallet or purse, they can skim your credit or debit cards, or even get a copy of your credit report. They may even send out an email, and this is called phishing. And this is to get your personal information. Anyone can fall victim to identity theft, but mainly young adults between the ages of 18 and 24 will be targeted. This is because they're young and they use their credit cards the most, and they're not quite educated yet on how they should protect their identity. People who have high incomes are targeted. People who make up weak passwords for their bank accounts, they are targeted. And young children who have social security numbers for tax purposes. How can you protect yourself? Destroy private information. Anything that contains your social security number, address, date of birth, don't just throw it away, shred it. Secure your mailbox by locking it or even look into getting a P.O. box. Leave your social security card at home in a lockbox. Never carry it around with you. Never just leave your credit card laying around unattended. Be more defensive when it comes to your personal information. And also you will want to obtain your credit report every 4 months, just to make sure that there's no unusual activity on your credit report. The Identity Theft and Deception Deterrence Act of 1988 made identity theft a federal crime. The first are the police to come in contact with the victim to take the initial report. Then the local police may work with the FBI, the United States Secret Services, or they may even work with the United States Postal Inspection Service. And these people will help to combat identity thefts and fraud cases. Some things that law officials may run into is that people are very intimidated by them and the FBI. They may not report the identity theft to the police. And technology is advancing faster than law enforcement can keep up. So as technology advances, so does the technique for stealing one's identity. So it's very important to keep up on all the new technology. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you all learned something from this presentation.